Yes, my people, I'm doing a Porsche today, and I've got a nice guy here, and basically the low speed fan, which is this one, that's why we're working in here. The low speed isn't working, so I've managed to test the high speed fan, and I've gotten to the low speed fan, and it looks like it's a resistor. Now these are the relays out, so there's 4 relays for the cooling fans on a Porsche Boxster. Alright, I've pulled them all out at the moment there. That one there is the low speed fan relay. So with it bridged, it's sending power and it's getting to the resistor up front, but it's not doing anything more. I pull that out there, I put it on the high speed. So you've got the high speed working now. Alright. This is just for a quick show you. This is the left side. So these two are the left side fan. That's low speed. And that's high speed. So we've got nothing on this one here. Suspecting relay, like I said. Just want to put that back in. Okay. Okay. Alright, so back on here. My friend, can you just hold that onto the earth pin, please? Onto the earth right there. Just put the black one on the earth.
This one?
Yeah, on the earth.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, nothing? Yeah, should be there. Sorry. Leave that like that for a second. What's going on here? Wait, it's in. That is in. Fuck. I'm surprised. No, that earth point. Put it on here. And this one for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Red Hill. Guys, after I show you this, no one's gonna call me again to check out a Porsche. But anyway, the white wire is the high speed fan, and when the high speed fan really kicks in, the power goes on the white wire, and then comes out the green and white wire. Okay, when the low speed fan's working, it comes down the green wire, goes through the resistor, and comes out. But we identified that we've not got any low speed, so now I've bridged the 2 wires by putting a wire through it, and now the fan's on. So that is with the low speed fan relay bridged. Let me show you. And that's the end of the diagnostics for today. Yeah. So yeah. This is now a new resistor and it's in business. Now that's the expensive part, but there's a video of a cheap version. So see if he's gonna do it.